Let's have a look at how you can install Qubely for the WordPress editor, my favorite current WordPress editor plugin. I'm going to go to posts and I'll create a new post over here. We're going to call this aptly named Qubely. Up here, if you want to add a new block to your WordPress editor, you click here on the plus and then collapse the panel. You will find the panels over here. Let's go and install Qubely, and then you will see it will appear over here after installation. Go to plugins, and then you just say add new. Within the WordPress repository, you search for Qubely. Numbers are going up very nicely. Make sure you also go and check out Gutenberg Blocks and then click on install. After installation, the normal thing, click on activation. Activate. Right, there we go. Let's go back to our posts and we grab our Qubely post. Click on that to see how it looks now. Let's add a block, and you can see already some Qubely blocks up here. Let's collapse it, and Qubely here with a nice indicator to show you where it is. I like the fact that they've put a little color icon there, draws your eye in, and if you click on it, everything that's free appears here. And boy, there is a lot. And this is as simple as working within the WordPress editor. Click on it and you start working through here with all the options here on the right sidebar. What if you want to go pro? Well, if you want to go pro, remember to hop on over to themeium.com/products/Qubely. Alternatively, just follow the link in the description below and you can have a look here at what Qubely offers, and we will cover all of that here at WordPress for Beginners in the weeks to come. Simply click on Go Pro, and then over here you have the options to choose from, annual as well as lifetime. And at the time of this video, this is on the special, soon to go up. Make your selection, and after you've done that, you simply go and log into your account. And once you've logged in from your dashboard, you download the zip folder for the Qubely Pro. I'm going to install that. So we go to our plugins, add new, not going to save those features, and then upload plugin. From your Finder or Explorer, simply drag and drop the zip file on top of Choose File, and then click Install Now. Activate your plugin. And to make sure that you get future updates, you go and insert your license. Over here, you enter your license. And if you don't know where to get that, go to the admin navigation menu on the left, Qubely options here, and click on the license page. It will bring you here. If you don't have a license, you click on Get License Key. If you do, simply add it here. I'll add my license key and then say Connect with License Key. And now you are ready to rock and roll, build great posts, build great pages, and you have access, of course. If you go into your post and you will look at what you've got there, you've got access to starter sites, you've got access to sections, pre-made build, and a lot of extra features within your Qubely blocks from free to pro. At Websites for Beginners, we focus on more than just the actual site building and page creation. We also bring in other features such as how to improve your design with modern layouts, getting your images just right, and avoiding common mistakes we find on websites. Visit the website for our ever-growing database of journal videos on better design and better images at websitesforbeginners.com. I'll drop a few links to recent videos on these in the description below.